Uganda excels week 20 of the excellence. And we still going. Hey. Woo. Yeah. I let it all go, not a pilot. I was taught to freelance. You sound as though you fight it. Our makulu negabula, you haven't grind, but all you want to be is popular? On the real? Somebody should explain to me. Does explaining about rap make it real? Or when did keeping it real give people deals? I just hate when people label what's art. To me, limits only say that I'm really not smart. But welcome to the modern day Da Vinci. It's really not about how you view me. Whether Muslim or born again, Obama Katurichi. We make the rules and laws, they don't make us. I live a life full of grace. If I'm a preacher, Katimumpama too. Bumbawanika, cause my words are really powerful. The type of preacher they can even devour you. It's my hour, dude. Think it's yours or you're sour fool. And I'm in the main lane, Murugudo. Tell me something new. Not what these fools know. Anyway, the Mumpana video, so let me see it in your words. This how we tell it really knows more. Peace out. Uganda excels week 20.